Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to find downloads on the iPhone 17 Pro. So if you want to find downloaded files, like the files that you have downloaded from the web, and you want to access them, what you can do is go to the Files app. It looks like this. Then go to Recent, and this is where all of the recently downloaded files will be located. Or depending where, if you've saved them in like a different folder, it's going to be displayed right here in that folder that you've saved it in. But usually the recent files will be appearing right here in the Recent tab. But if you want to find like the recently downloaded apps from the App Store, what you can do is go to the App Store, press on the icon of your profile on the top right, and then press Apps. Then you can either select My Apps or the apps from the family. So I'm going to select My Apps, and this is all of the apps that you have like downloaded on your account. So you can scroll and see what day you've downloaded them on, and like download them again. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.